So the last couple of weeks been super busy, been ordering parts, waiting for them to come. I got sick, and here we are. So I've had to make some holes in the panel. I've had to add some more transformers for measurements, and I've had to put it all back together. So I've been able to get some advice from one of the best transformer makers in the world about what transformers I should be using for the step up the current. So I will be adjusting these big ones, and I'll get smaller ones. Just an update from where we were to where we are now. We now have an energy meter built into it, so I've got a display. I've got, I don't know if that was there beforehand, but that's sort of a battery indicator if I get it from a battery source. So I've plugged it in, and I'm just now checking, rough calibration, because it has to be calibrated. It's just got sort of guesstimated corrections that I need to put in there, not full on. So I've got to go through and I'm going to check what's working, what's not working. Okay, so I've got a little knob here, and that changes the display for each phase. Alright, so volts are a bit up. Oh, that's interesting. The volts have come, come in. It's no longer, let's check all the phases. C, 69. Maybe not. Should be A86. That's pretty close. B, 69. 70. Nah, it's still out a bit. A's come in. Anyway, let's look at the angles now. Actually, let's look at the phaser. Yeah, okay. So the phaser's gone alright. Phase rotation's looking wrong. So my blue and white are around the wrong way. Okay, so now let's look at angles compared to what each are reading. So let me just bring the currents down. I'll bring the volts down. Oh, at least on red. Okay, so now let's look at C channel. That's one there's first 27, 34. So that's got a bit of a 27, 28's jumping around a little bit. Now a lot of that is to do with how it's all laid out. I've got to clean all that up. B phase minus 27. Yeah, so that's same again. So that one's a B. C is 28, and that shows. Oh, well, maybe not. A phase 148. A phase angle on the first one's pretty good, but so's the volts on that one. Yeah, okay. Needs a bit of tightening up with the cables, extended them so they're not so tight, so when I lift it up it doesn't jam, but come back in the next video and I reckon I've pretty much got it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe or whatever, that sort of stuff. Yep. Almost ready to release all the plans.